Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Dre Moxie, and I'm the Student Body Vice President, and this is my 4th year at Clemson, so that means I'm a senior. Even though I'm on my way out, I'm excited to show you your admissions packet as we move forward. It looks a little bit different this year, but there's some cool stuff inside. To start off, I got your Tigertown packet right here. It looks absolutely amazing. We're gonna go through it right now. So starting off with the packet, really cool design. Gonna open it up real quick and bring some things out. Really leaned into the tiger theme this year, as you can see on the packet. At the top, you're gonna see your admissions letter. Opening up the packet, we'll see some stuff on the inside. We have your URN pamphlet. This is gonna have a lot of your general information for Clemson. So with that, you'll see stuff about Clemson campus recreation, clubs, organizations around campus, different opportunities, and statistics for you. Moving on from that, this right here is our Tiger Rag. You can take pictures with this all over the world, London, France, or even underwater. Next, we have some really cool stickers for your computer or your water bottle. Moving on from that, we got some really good coupons you can use all around campus. My favorite one is 55 Exchange, an ice cream spot that's on campus that's run by students for students. I absolutely love the ice cream there, so make sure to use this and other coupons on this paper. Next, we have our first year Tiger Bingo. We have Tigerama on here, First Friday Parade. This will be your guide to a lot of great experiences that you can find on campus. Next, we got your Tigertown poster. Feel free to take this out, put it up in your room, or anywhere else you like to. And the last thing that you need to do is to scan this QR code right here to enroll in Clemson. Scan that QR code, and I look forward to seeing you soon on campus.